Je prends la parole ici de la part de CPM, BMC, du Dr Peter Monteba, qui se trouve en déplacement, qui aurait bien voulu être là avec son épouse, Maman Martine, mais qui se retrouve retenu au Congo pour certaines responsabilités. Alors, nous sommes là juste pour honorer la mémoire de notre bien-aimé qui a été de beaucoup dans le CPM. Nous nous souvenons d'ailleurs que cette semaine où il y a eu cet événement, nous avons été dans deux réunions pratiquement. Une qui a eu le mardi et une autre le vendredi. Et le mardi, je me souviens quand j'étais là, parce que le vendredi j'étais retenu, je me souviens que le pasteur était vraiment en train de donner des propositions, en train de parler, de commenter par rapport à l'événement que nous étions en train de préparer. Et le rapport qui m'a été aussi donné pour vendredi, c'est qu'il a été aussi, même le vendredi, il a été tout fait tout flamme là, en train de donner des propositions.
On Friday, he was still giving proposals.
Et donc l'idée que nous pouvons retenir de lui aujourd'hui, c'est que c'était une pierre importante dans l'œuvre de Dieu. Nous ne pouvions pas savoir que ce qu'il était en train de donner comme conseil, comme proposition, c'était un peu comme ce dernier conseil, son apport qu'il nous donnait. Je me souviens d'ailleurs qu'il a plus parlé que presque tout le monde. Et c'était comme sa pierre qu'il était en train de déposer par rapport au travail qui se fera par la suite. Nous ne pouvons que bénir le Seigneur parce que nous savons que c'est lui qui permet toutes choses. Il sait pourquoi il est venu dans le monde et il sait pourquoi il a vécu. Que le nom du Seigneur soit béni. Et nous prions seulement que son âme repose en paix.
Merci beaucoup, Pasteur Serge. Et bien aussi, merci au docteur Peter Monteba. Sans tarder, nous appelons Pasteur Marc Chouza qui va parler au nom de l'Union des églises francophones en Afrique du Sud. Merci, Pasteur.
Merci beaucoup. Je vous salue tous au nom de notre Seigneur Jésus-Christ. Je me tiens ici au nom de l'Union des ministres des Dieux francophones du Sud. Dirigé par l'évêque général Marc Lombo, qui est empêché à ce jour. Notre présence en ce lieu, c'est pour honorer un grand homme de Dieu. Vous n'avez pas entendu. Honorer un grand homme de Dieu parmi les francophones en Afrique du Sud. Je pensais que vous alliez acclamer. Très bien. Mieux que cela. Pourquoi je dis grand homme?
Why do I say great man?
À l'Union des ministres de Dieu francophones.
In the Union of Ministers, French ministers,
parce que dans la pensée de beaucoup de gens,
in the mind of many people,
ils croient
they believe
que parmi les francophones, il n'y a pas de grands hommes de Dieu.
that among the French there is no great man of God.
Mais
But
nous, à l'Union,
as in the Union,
nous croyons à la grandeur.
we believe in greatness.
C'était un grand homme de Dieu.
He was a great man of God.
Nous lui rendons hommage aujourd'hui.
We give him eulogy today.
Le 22,
The 22nd,
le même jour où il a été rappelé d'une manière que vous connaissez.
the same day that he was called back in the way that you know.
Et ici, nous voulons en appeler à notre ambassade
Today we want to call upon our embassy
à pouvoir continuer
to carry on
avec les investigations.
with the investigations.
Nous avions appris
We heard
que l'ambassade a contacté le département des relations internationales et coopération de l'Afrique du Sud
that the embassies contacted the government
of South Africa
yes, of South Africa,
pour conduire les investigations.
to follow up on the investigations.
Et nous allons suivre avec l'ambassade en tant qu'union pour
And we will
savoir
follow up with the embassy to know
comment évoluent ces investigations.
how are these investigations going.
Nous savons que la mort des serviteurs de Dieu,
We know that
quand nous fouillons les Écritures,
when we check on the scriptures,
nous trouvons que c'est d'une manière tragique que la plupart des grands hommes de Dieu sont morts.
we see that it is in a manner of tragic manner that a lot of men of God passed away.
Mais nous rendons gloire à notre Dieu.
But we give glory to our God.
Le pasteur Ben,
Pastor Ben,
il y a une activité qui devrait venir.
having an activity that was planned,
Contacte l'union
contacted the union
et demande l'union.
and asked the union.
Vraiment, je vous prie de mobiliser
Truly, I ask you to mobilize
les différentes personnes
different people
afin de participer à cette grande activité.
to participate in this great activity.
Pendant qu'on était en train de monter des stratégies
As we're planning strategies
pour le soutenir,
to support it,
nous apprenons
we heard
qu'il est parti.
that is no more.
Voilà, il y a des morts, il y a des morts.
There is death and death.
Nous nous soumettons à la souveraineté de notre Dieu
We submit to the sovereignty of our God.
parce que en suivant la lecture de sa biographie,
Because by following the reading of his biography,
vous trouvez
you will find
que Dieu a placé en lui la grandeur.
God passed in him the greatness.
Et cette grandeur s'est manifestée par la façon dont il a servi les
And
Seigneurs.
that greatness was manifested in the manner that he served the
Alors,
Lord.
l'Union des ministres de Dieu francophones du Sud
A union of servants of God, in French servants of God,
demande à tous les serviteurs de Dieu francophones
ask all the servants of God French
à pouvoir avoir cette grandeur en nous.
to have that greatness in us.
Joignons-nous
We join together
la main dans la main,
hand by hand.
travaillons
Let us work
pour Jésus-Christ,
for Jesus Christ,
qui est notre seul maître,
who's our only
à
master,
qui nous obéissons.
in whom we obey.
Et je voudrais
And I would like
que sa mémoire puisse continuer à vivre.
that his memory keep on living
À l'église Bethel,
in Bethel Assembly,
à la communauté des serviteurs de Dieu,
in the community of servants of
la
God,
communauté congolaise en
in the
général.
Congolese community in
Je
general.
vous prie
I
de suivre
ask
l'exemple de ces grands hommes de Dieu
to follow the example
et
of this
de
great man
continuer à servir sans faille.
and to keep on serving without
Parce
fail.
qu'il y a plus de bonheur à servir le Seigneur,
Because there is much pleasure in serving the
à
Lord
être dans les plaisirs de ce monde.
and not to be in the pleasures of
Il est
this
mort
world.
dans le Seigneur,
He died in the Lord.
sa couronne lui est réservée.
A great
Que
crown
mon
is
Dieu vous
reserved.
remercie beaucoup,
May
parce que
God bless you.
Sans tarder, s'il vous plaît,
Without further ado, please,
nous sommes talonnés par les temps, s'il vous plaît.
we are pressed by time,
C'est
please.
difficile, mais
It's
faisons
difficult,
l'effort.
but let us try our best.
La raison, c'est difficile d'interrompre un homme de Dieu comme ça, mais pour ceux qui viennent après.
It is difficult to interrupt
La
the message
raison
of God.
est que le cimetière sera fermé à une certaine heure.
The cemetery will be closed at a
Et nous
certain
avons
time,
besoin d'un temps pour y arriver.
and we need time to get there.
Alors, s'il vous plaît,
Please,
soyons concis.
let us be conscious.
Pendant qu'on prépare la famille, parce que c'est
As
comme
we
ça qu'on va
prepare the
faire,
family,
que la famille ait parlé aussi, on va
family
voir
has
avec
to
les temps.
speak as well.
Je vais appeler le pasteur Joe Machala.
I will call Pastor Joe
À ce
Machala.
moment-là, on me prépare la famille
In
directement,
that
les
time,
enfants
they
qui vont
prepare
parler
the
pour la
family, the
famille.
children that will speak on behalf
Après
of
le
the
pasteur
family.
Joe Machala, pendant
After
qu'il s'appelle,
Pastor Joe Machala comes,
est-ce que nous pouvons aussi l'accueillir?
and we also welcome
Il est de la famille proche du vieux pasteur
growth of the
Ben.
family of Pastor Ben.
Salutations à tous.
Greetings to all.
Shalom, peuple de Dieu.
Shalom, people of God.
Je voudrais d'abord remercier tout un chacun
I firstly thank everyone
qui a eu à se disposer pour venir ici,
that has availed themselves to come here,
et spécialement ceux qui se sont investis
and especially those that invested themselves
à pouvoir organiser ces funérailles.
to organize these funerals.
Ça a été très difficile,
It was very difficult,
mais nous disons merci au peuple de Dieu.
and we say thank you to the people of God.
Vous savez,
You know,
j'avais préparé un message, mais il s'est fait que non préparé serait trop prévisible.
I had prepared a message, but preparing it would be very hard.
Oui. Donc je vais parler avec mon cœur avec les 2 ou 3 minutes.
I will speak with my heart.
J'ai reçu cet appel ce samedi-là.
I got that call on that Saturday.
Un jeune frère m'appelle pour me
A
dire
young brother called me to say,
Pasteur Ben a été...
Pastor Ben
On a tiré sur lui.
you are shot.
J'ai dormi, donc j'ai pris mon téléphone et j'ai regardé.
I was sleeping, I took my phone
Mais
and
j'ai eu
saw.
de l'espoir quand ils m'ont dit
I had the hope when they told me
qu'il est dans ICU.
that is in ICU.
J'ai dit à Dieu,
I told God,
s'il te plaît,
please
fais quelque chose.
do something.
J'ai pleuré les larmes de
I
mon cœur.
cried tears of my heart.
Mais à 2h du matin, quand je me réveille, je
At 2
vois
a.m. when I woke
le
up,
message.
I saw the message.
J'ai pleuré tellement que le Seigneur me dit,
I cried so much that the Lord told me,
crois-tu que tu aimes Ben plus que moi?
you believe that you love Ben more than me.
Sachons apprécier les gens.
You must know how to appreciate people.
La dernière fois que j'ai vu mon frère,
The last time I saw my brother,
c'était avec ma belle-sœur
it was with my daughter, my
à Balfomont.
my sister-in-law,
À Balfomont.
in Balfamont.
Vous savez,
You know,
on prend les choses pour acquis.
you take things lightly.
Donc je les ai vus plutôt.
I saw them.
Salut, j'arrive.
I told them I'm coming,
Et j'arrive, il est là.
and I'm coming is here.
Sachons apprécier les gens.
We must know how to appreciate people.
Quand il faut dire je t'aime, dis-le même.
When you have to say I love you, tell them
N'attendons pas
now.
que les gens meurent.
Do not wait for people to die.
Au peuple de Dieu,
The people of God.
je voudrais dire, comme le pasteur Chozan l'a dit,
I like to
à
say
César,
the
on va
pastor-
laisser les investigations, mais au peuple de Dieu, je voudrais vous demander
Caesar will leave investigation to the people of God. I'll ask you
de pardonner.
to forgive.
C'est difficile,
It is difficult,
mais il faut pardonner.
but you have to forgive
Parce que
because
pasteur Ben est mort en martyr.
Pastor Ben died as a martyr.
S'il n'était pas pasteur,
If he was not a pastor,
il n'allait pas partir chez le coiffeur.
he wouldn't go. He
Il
wouldn't
n'allait pas
go
avoir
to
un événement.
the barber. He wouldn't have
Il allait rester vivant.
believed him. He
Mais
would have
il est
remained
parti
alive.
parce qu'il avait l'œuvre de Dieu à faire le lendemain.
But he went
Et c'est là
to
que
the barber
Dieu
because he had
permet.
a work of God to do the next day. That's how God allows.
À Dieu toute la gloire.
To God be all the glory.
Tenons-nous ensemble.
We must
Que Dieu vous bénisse,
stand
mais
together.
prenez soin de la famille.
Bless you. We must take care of the family.
Appelez,
Call
pensez à eux.
and think of them.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank
Merci,
you, Lord.
pasteur.
The pastor,
Pendant que la famille s'apprête, on prend un seul membre de l'église, Bethel Orange Grove. C'était déjà fait hier.
along with one member
Là, on
of
va
Bethel
donner
Orange
l'occasion
Group,
à un seul membre de l'église Bethel Orange Grove.
one member of
Après ça, la famille va passer.
Bethel Orange Group,
Blessing
then
est là.
the family will come.
Yes, blessing, come to come. Please be fast. On va suivre quand même le témoignage. Elle fait partie des membres de l'église que le
He's
pasteur
one of the
dirigeait.
members of pastor that was leading.
Greetings to all. I'm a daughter of Balban and an interpreter of him. And for the first time today, I'm not besides him singing or interpreting for him, but giving a last speech. There are many words I can use to describe him, but he was strong because he fought for his life, even during his last hours. I am blessed and grateful to have met a man like him. At church, people knew that I was so happy working beside him that if he's not the one preaching, I would sometimes like, Papa, no, I would sit. Not because I disliked others, but because I was at ease working beside him. And this year, the topic he gave us was that 2026 was our year of coronation. But Papa, I'm here to say that instead it is your year of coronation because you have gone to wear the crown that God has reserved for you. I am blessed to have met a man like him, and I just want to say to his family that the Lord of Balban will never leave you. And glory be to God. My prayer every day will be that those who perpetrated this or have hands with this meet the wrath of your God. But thank you. Rest in peace, Baba.
Thank you, blessing, God bless you. Nous allons suivre le témoignage des enfants.
We will follow the eulogy of the children.
Ok, c'est Jojo. Je souhaiterais que tous les enfants viennent devant.
I'd like all the children to
Soutenant celui qui va
come
parler.
to support the one that is
Soutenant la main dans la main.
holding hand by hand.
Venez ici devant.
You may come here in the front.
Et que celui qui va prendre la parole fasse.
One will take away.
everyone.
Bonjour à tous.
Greetings, everyone. I would like firstly to give thanks to everyone who joined us to support.
Je voudrais remercier tout le monde qui sont venus nous supporter.
I will not be selfish and say that he's only our dad, but he was a father to all. Selfish. I would like to say a message to my dad. Dad, you are more than just a father. You are our rock, our hero. Your late nights coming back home was not just about providing for us, but about giving us a better life, and also being available for those who desperately needed prayer. I remember I was always waiting up for you late at night whilst my siblings were asleep. When I was 13 to 15 years old, I asked myself, why stay out till late? But later on, I understood why it took that long to come home. You taught me that being a man isn't just about being strong, but about being selfless, patient, and kind. Your prayers gave me comfort. Your discipline preserved me for God's use. And your words stayed with me. You showed me what it means to love without condition, to forgive without hesitation, and to preserve without complaint. But what truly set you apart was your unshaken faith in God. Even in the darkest times, when droughts of life seemed unbearable, you stood tall, trusting that better days were ahead. Your prayers were like a lifeline, pulling us through the tough times, and your words of encouragement gave us the strength to keep going. You taught us that faith isn't just about feeling God's presence when things are good, but about trusting Him when things seem impossible. You showed me that a man's strength isn't just in his muscles, but in his heart, his spirit, and his unwavering trust to God. I'll miss your physical presence, Dad, but I'm grateful for the legacy of faith you have left us. You'll be remembered as a man of endless trust, unshakable hope, and unrelenting perseverance. I love you, Dad, and I hope to see you again in eternity. Thank you.
Merci, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.
Good morning, people of God, friends, family, and honored guests. My name is Biane Mpunga Mukeba, also known as Bibiana by my father. I am the third child of Pastor Ben and his first daughter. I always gave my father pride. My father was my engine. He pushed me to work harder. He always used to boost my confidence, something I lack. My father was like my cheerleader. Whenever I got good grades and got handed certificates, my dad would always brag about it. Whenever guests would come home, when we were out on the street, or even on his status, he would brag about it. He was a provider. He made sure we didn't lack anything. My dad never loved seeing me sad. He told me once, don't mind what people say, and that I'm special and I'm a child of God. I was never ashamed of my father, who he was, his background, or his occupation. I was proud. I always felt special in his presence. I was never afraid to tell people that I'm a pastor's child. I was always happy telling people that I'm a pastor's child. My dad was my mentor. Listening to his advices was some of the best things ever in my life. I really love football, but you know what my dad said? Bibiana, you are too tall for football. Go play basketball. And once my dad says something, you can't contradict it. Although I enjoyed football more, I decided to join basketball, and that was one of the best decisions ever in my life. My last moments with my dad were wholesome. I cooked for him, and his last words to me were thank you. I didn't get to tell him goodbye. I went to sleep. My dad was taken from me in the most brutal way. He was waiting for me to matriculate and be one of those students on TV. But I really loved my dad so much. I'm now coming to notice that I was daddy scared. I loved his peaceful presence. We had so many plans for the year of 2026. The last song I heard him singing was about him being under God's rock and that God will always protect him. This showed how faithful he was no matter what circumstance came along. I'll miss when he used to gather us together as a family and advise us and tell us about his background and tell us what to do. I love you so much, Dad. Rest in peace. Until we meet again. It's only a matter of time.